Is Amazon too competitive? Is it too saturated? Can I succeed in 2020? What do you think? Today's video, I'm going to break down just that, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down, can I succeed with Amazon in 2020? So many people ask me, is it too late? Is it too saturated? What about this? What about that? I got you covered. I'm going to be breaking down everything in depth in this video, but before we dive into it, I want to dive into my seller account and let you know that this is the most up-to-date YouTube channel out. So right here, as you guys can see, for the day, it is just 1 o'clock. I've done just over $6,000 for the day, and in the last 30 days I've done just over $222,000. So I share that with you just to let you know that what I'm about to teach you is current, it's up to date. I don't teach anything that I don't implement in my own FBA business, and I take that very serious because there's a lot of people teaching how to sell on Amazon, yet they don't actually sell on Amazon themselves. So if you guys are new, make sure to go down and hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment, drop a like. I'd appreciate it, and also don't forget to join the free Amazon Champion Facebook group. And then also, if you guys want to join my mentorship program, make sure to go down and check out the link down below and get signed up. I'd love to have you in as a student. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so what is my opinion about Amazon being too competitive, too saturated, or can I even succeed in 2020? So there's two parts of this. There's first, we can look at the data, which we're going to do, and then the other part is just basically from personal experience. So I want to talk about my firsthand personal experience, and then we'll dive into the data. And basically my experience with Amazon is people have been saying it's too competitive, it's too saturated for freaking ever. Since I started selling on Amazon, 5 years before I started selling on Amazon, you see people in Facebook groups, YouTube videos talking about, oh, is Amazon too competitive? Is it too saturated? And that's just been the case for the last 7 years. And people, I don't know what it is, but anytime anyone starts to talk about a business opportunity, they just start to bash it. They just say, oh no, this sucks, or oh, it's too competitive. And the reality is the reason they say that is, first, they never even tried it, or second, they tried it and they failed, or they tried it for like a couple days and they're like, oh no, I can't find a product. So you just need to understand where you're getting your information from, and it heavily depends on that. So depending on who you talk to, they're going to say one thing and then another person is going to say another. And for me, I've seen massive success. I've changed my entire life. I've gone from 0 to 7 figures selling on Amazon in a matter of 2 years. And people, when I first started, they said the exact same thing. It's too competitive. Now, you do need to understand things have changed. But does that mean that you can't succeed, or that you can succeed? No, you can totally succeed. You just need to understand what you're doing. You need to learn from the right people, understand where you're getting your information from. There's a lot of garbage information out there. So yeah, you just need to make sure that you're getting the correct information. Yeah, you're going to fail. You're going to have ups and downs, but that's just business. So many people are like, oh, there's so many people that fail selling on Amazon. But that's business. How many people fail launching a restaurant? The restaurant industry is the most failed business in the entire United States. So, like, what about that? When someone says, I want to go start a restaurant, people are going to say the same thing. Oh, no, that's too hard. But then when someone does succeed, they're thanking themselves and they're like, I'm glad that I didn't listen to this person. So just have that in mind when it comes to selling on Amazon in 2020. You just need to change your mindset and understand that, look, thousands, hundreds of thousands of people are succeeding. Why can't you? So just have that mentality. Sure, it's not going to be easy. There's no such thing as any business that's easy. I mean, if someone says, oh, do this and you're going to be making thousands of dollars just by lifting a finger, like, that's not the case. I mean, 2020, there's tons of options to make money online. And in my opinion, Amazon FBA is the best, but it still requires work. just like any business model. So have that in mind. So that is kind of my 2 cents with selling on Amazon. Now let's look at the data that kind of backs that up and just kind of show you guys that, hey, look, Amazon is freaking legit. So right here, let's dive into my screen. As you guys can see, this is an article that Oberlo wrote, which I'm kind of confused on why they wrote this article, because Oberlo is a company that focuses on drop shipping. So it's kind of interesting that basically they're saying that Amazon is basically taking over and how Amazon is so popular. And yeah, I know that you can integrate Oberlo into Amazon, but Oberlo's main business is Shopify dropshipping. So who knows? These are the statistics that they found, and I think they're quite incredible. So right here, the popularity of Amazon, 145 million mobile users accessing the Amazon app in March of 2019. So that's 2019. It only grows every single month. I mean, that's ridiculous. 145 million people that are using the app. That's just the app. Now, people are going on their desktop, and that's actually the preferred shopping experience is on the desktop on Amazon. So, I mean, that's massive. Those are crazy numbers. So this is a huge thing, and this is one of my favorite parts about Amazon is customers trust Amazon. 89% of buyers agree that they are more likely to buy products from Amazon than other e-commerce sites. So I've experienced this firsthand. I have a Shopify brand. It's called Driven. I sell sunglasses, and people just naturally trust Amazon, and it takes a lot of time, brand building, followers, credibility to get customers to purchase outside of Amazon. Amazon, they already have the account. They know the customer service is just to the highest. They know if something goes wrong, they're going to get their money back. They know they're going to get it in 1 to 2 days. They know they're going to be taken care of, and that's what Amazon has built is customer trust. And that's why it's so powerful is you have access to the biggest marketplace, the most customers that trust, and all you need to do is find a product that's being searched, that's low competition. You need to add value to it. I talk about this in my course and in other videos, but if you can do that, the customers look at the product and they're like, hey, I trust this, I'm going to buy it. Even though you are nobody. You're a brand that you just made up. Like, it's incredible. So that's a crazy statistic right there. Right here, the number of Amazon Prime members, 103 million. So it's an increase since of 2018. So the Prime members are only increasing, which that means more people are shopping. That's kind of crazy. Number of products available, 100 and almost 120 million products available. And that's people are adding new products every single day. And that's one thing that you guys need to understand is a lot of people are like, oh, I can't find a product. There's no good products left. Dude, 120 million products. There's products out there for you to find and sell, and there's new products always coming out. There's always ways that you can improve and make a product better. So just have that in mind. Stay positive. Don't get down on yourself. Sometimes it takes some time to do product research, but that's just the reality, okay? You got to put in the time and the effort if you want to succeed. Right here, the most popular Amazon product category is electronics. Quite frankly, I try to stay away from electronics because they can have problems. Right here, Amazon Prime Day breaks record. 100 million in 2018, and 2019 they beat that record, which is just crazy. I mean, Amazon just invented some holiday Prime Day, and they just do millions of dollars. Like that's insane. That's the company that you want to work with. Amazon usage by device right here, 67% of Amazon shoppers prefer to shop using their desktop, computer, or laptop. So like I said, there's a lot of mobile users, but the majority prefer to use their desktop. So that's just more shoppers. This is crazy. Number of items sold on Amazon per minute. On average, small and medium-sized businesses located in the U.S. sell more than 4,000 items per minute. So average small and medium-sized businesses, that's me, that's you. 4,000 per minute. I mean, if you can just happen to 1 per hour, that's 24 a day. And let's say you're selling it for $10. I mean, that's $240 a day. Like, that's awesome. Like, you can't complain about that. and I mean the potential is just unreal, and you can take a piece of this pie if you just put in the time and the effort, and that's just what you need to understand. So I hope this is motivating you. I hope this is getting you guys excited, because the opportunity has never been better to start selling on Amazon in 2020, and it's only going to grow and grow and grow. So jump on, ride the wave while you can, and I promise you're not going to regret it. Right? Number of Amazon sellers, 2.5 million. There's 2.5 million active Amazon sellers. People are going to be like, oh, well, that's too competitive. Yeah, but did you see how many products? There's 120 million products, 2.5 million sellers. That's looking at those numbers, 2.5 million and 120 million products. That's not even close. That's like what? I can't even do the math on that, but I hope that kind of gives you guys that picture. Buyers visit Amazon for inspiration. People go to Amazon for inspiration when they don't have a specific product in mind. They just start searching things, and that's what's cool about Amazon is it's a search platform. Just kind of like YouTube and Google, they go there with a product in mind, or maybe they're looking for inspiration and they search it, and something comes up and it matches the keyword that they're finding, and boom, they purchase it. And that's basically product research. You're trying to find products that people are searching for in demand, and then if you can add some value to it and you can be on that first page, you're going to get organic sales, and you're not going to have to spend thousands of dollars in ads. So that's huge, and that's basically kind of the statistics that I wanted to go over and just help you guys understand that, yes, Amazon is not a cakewalk. It's going to take some time. It's going to take a lot of work for you to actually build a business, and that's what people don't understand is Amazon FBA isn't some hobby. I mean, when people ask me what I do for a living and I tell them I sell on Amazon, they're like, oh, nice. Like, good luck. I hope things are going well. Like, what else do you do? No, you can take Amazon FBA, treat it like a business, and you can make as much money or as little money as you want. You just need to put in the time and the effort. So I hope that this strikes some motivation in you guys to start. Maybe you've launched a product and it didn't succeed. Launch that second one, launch that third one. I mean, it took me like 5 or 6 products to get one that finally was successful. And I talk about that in the Serious Sellers podcast, which is going to be released here shortly. I'm super excited for you guys to listen to that. And I hope that you guys just take action, get started. And if you guys need help, I'd love to help you. I have a full mentorship program. I have the Facebook group. I have different resources down in the description, so check that out. And I just want to say thank you guys. Let me know what you guys would like to see in 2020 for future videos, what you guys need help on, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys succeed, and we will see you at the top. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe, drop a comment, and like this video, and we will see you in the next video.